is going to be a full day of sunshine. I think it's going to be 22 degrees Celsius, which is quite warm. I'm already wearing my dress, which is a bit cold right now, but I'm hoping that it's getting better over time. I'm going with my friends and we will have a trip to Speyer, which is one of my favorite places here in the region. It's next to the river and it has a beautiful cathedral and a very nice city center. Walking around there is just absolutely stunning. So I'm so excited for the day. I also want to give you a cat update because if you watched the previous vlog, you know I'm trying to be friends with my grandma's cat and he's quite scared. I would say he's not running away immediately anymore, and I also managed to pat him now like 3 times. So we still have a way to go, but yeah, he's really cute. He's so cute and I hope that he will feel more comfortable and that it's getting better over time. So I guess I have to start preparing, getting everything ready so that I can get picked up very soon. And I'm so happy you're joining me again.
Remember when you told me that I should take it slow, but I can't stay when the world is waiting. I'm too used to being on my own. Hearts will break, but I have to chase it. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is calling my name. I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll leave echoes in every place I find. I'll break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane, a free-born mind. I remember when you told me I should settle down, but these restless feet won't keep me grounded. The open road's the only place I found where I feel alive, and the stars will guide me. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is
We went to Speyer and then we walked over to the cathedral through a really pretty park, and then we visited one another church, and then we went and ate lunch, and it was so much food. We were all quite shocked. I mean, it was a bit more pricey, but you definitely got a lot of food for your money. I didn't manage to eat all of it because it was so much, but it was really good. After that, we went to visit the cathedral.
California, where do I start? Heavy breathing and heavy heart. I long to see you when the day is done. I wanna rest and lay in your sun. California, in my mind, there is no one of your kind. I long to see you when the day is done, though my journey has just begun. We should have lived a life together in your warming sun.
And then we actually had to go because we had booked like a boat trip on the river Rhine, and that was so fun. I was a bit afraid that it would be really cold because it was a bit chilly in the morning, and then we reached around 20 degrees by midday, but then obviously on a boat with all the wind, I thought it could be a bit chilly, but actually it was enough sun. Some of us got sunburned. Thankfully I applied once more sunscreen before I left, so that was a good idea, and that was a lovely trip. I wouldn't say the food was great, but it was just so nice to sit on the upper deck, and sometimes we also got some information. There was like one house in the middle of nowhere that was standing right next to the river, which is, I think, quite unusual. And then they told us that that was actually a restaurant before, but it was because it was so away from everything, it wasn't such a success, so they sold it to private people and they have kind of built a home there. And they also said that that will be the only one, so having that house there with the river view, it's probably worth quite a lot. The last thing, we went to a beach bar and got cocktails. I had a strawberry daiquiri. It was really good, and we also had nachos and flammkuchen, so that was probably a perfect ending for the day. We had a beautiful day. It was definitely, it almost felt like summer, and it's always interesting so in spring to watch people, because everyone's walking, you get everything. People wearing like winter jackets and scarves, and then I, for example, walked in a dress, which was a little bit chilly sometimes, but I would say it was worth it. It was nice to wear a dress and just feel like, oh, summer's coming, and I was just so happy. Now I've already packed everything. I will get picked up in 2 hours. I think I'm gonna play with my grandma a bit, and then yeah, and then it's time to go. I think I will be home after 8 to 9 hours of traveling, so it's gonna be a long day. And yeah, I feel very grateful. That was a beautiful week. I saw so many people. I was very socializing, and my grandma always said that she wanna miss me, and I will miss her too, so it's always a bit sad leaving, but I'm also looking forward to get home. So there's both of it. Obviously in Norway it's not that warm, so you have to get used to the colder weather again, but I know spring is coming there as well, and I'm really excited to see how the garden looks, because I'm guessing it's exploding of plants and green and everything. So yeah. So I guess we're getting ready. I hope you enjoyed this travel vlog with me, and I hope it really got you into spring mood as well. And I see you next Sunday. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.